Hi, welcome from AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that it'll be useful for you. I have the absolute pleasure to be showing you around and demonstrating some of the features on this 21 plate D300 Range Rover Sport HSE Silver. So the HSE Silver was its own trim level in its own right, but this particular model has a host of optional extras on top of that trim level. It's absolutely beautiful, not a slight bit of chrome in sight, and we've got that because we have the Santorini Black Metallic paintwork, and then the black exterior pack changed the front splitter to high gloss black. We have the different gloss black 21-inch alloy wheels, black grille and black badging, wing mirror casings, roof. It really is an absolutely superb car, and the specification is absolutely out of this world. Just give you a closer look of those alloy wheels. Sat behind those 21s are those stunning red brake calipers. Really do contrast the paintwork very well. So let's get started on the specification. Okay, so you can see we have privacy glass from the B pillar backwards. Again, does go with the paintwork very well. Just opening up keylessly there, and you can get a glimpse of that stunning, beautiful ambient lighting. Really does make the cabin a very nice place to be. And if we just look up to the sky, a sliding panoramic glass sunroof. But we're not finished there just yet. If I just take a step back to the door card, we can see we have 3-stage electric memory front seats for both driver and front passenger. So that will record your exact driving position, so you can find it perfectly. The upgraded Meridian surround sound system for a nice crisp, clean sound from your stereo. Probably the best way to demonstrate this feature, just there, is the heads-up display. That's going to project your speed limits and speed warnings onto the windscreen with no need to take your eyes off the road. As I jump into the back of the vehicle, also see we're blessed with heated rear seats as well as the heated front seats. The vehicle really is all singing, all dancing. The D300 engine is superb. And it really does sit very well on the road and fits in very nicely with some of the stunning and amazing stock that we have here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. So thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Hope that's given you a good idea of how much this car really is. It's a superb specification, very low mileage, only covered just over 11,000 miles, and looks absolutely superb. Thanks for watching. Look forward to speaking to you soon. See if we can do some business.